Here we are, ready for the first annual Wild West American Girl Roomba Rodeo. And here are our contestants for today. Ruthie, Ivy, Kirsten, Julie, Felicity, Molly, Kit, and Grace will all be competing on the Wild Roomba. And our judges today are Sailor Jim and Sammy. And there it is, the Wild Roomba, waiting in its spot to get out there and roam. Ooh, and here comes the Roomba. It's getting out there. It's going to do some roaming. You never know where it wants to go. Will the girls be able to stay on with the Wild Roomba? Here's Ruthie. She's on. She's spinning. And, oh, Ruthie's off already. Bucked by the Roomba.
6 seconds.
Here's Felicity.
Go, Felicity.
She's on. Oh, she's getting a quick spin though. That's not good. Oh.
6 seconds for
Felicity. Oh, and look, the Roomba's pushing her across the floor. Poor Felicity. The Roomba has no mercy, pushing the American girls across the floor after they've fallen off. Off it goes. Here's Kirsten. She's on. Oh, and she's off.
3 seconds.
Kirsten.
She must be very disappointed.
Here's Molly.
Go, Mom.
Can she stay on for that first move? Oh, yes, it's looking good. Uh-oh, but she's going, oh, that's not good. She's back, the Roomba's back in the corner. The Roomba's spinning. Molly, oh, poor Molly. Look, what happened to Molly? Oh, she fell forward. She's stuck on the Roomba. Oh, and she's off. She's on. She's spinning. Oh, she's looking good so far.
Pretty good.
Here we go. Uh-oh. There she goes.
10 seconds.
Bucked by the Roomba.
10.
Here's Ivy. Here she goes.
Go, Ivy.
Ivy's on. Up. Oh, Ivy's off.
7 seconds.
Here's Julie.
Go.
Julie's on. Oh, she's spinning. It's looking good. Oh. Julie's off. Oh, and the Roomba's pushing Julie across the floor. Poor Julie.
5
Look at this.
Julie.
The Roomba pushes Julie across the floor. Here's Kit. She's a little overdressed for this rodeo. Oh, ready. Got bucked by the Roomba.
4 seconds.
Poor Kit. And the winner of today's competition, the first American Girl Roomba Rodeo, is Molly.
And she gets a medal.
There's her medal, and she'll be going to fabulous Las Vegas as the first prize. Bye, Molly.